Hey there, I'm not gonna lie, we keep bottled water in the house, but that may become a thing of the past here because the team over at SimPure has sent out this Countertop reverse osmosis water purifier. Let me tell you, game changer in this house. The water is fantastic, and at a close second to the water being so good, it's silly easy to set up and use. Let's go over what this thing can do. So SimPure is a sub-brand of the company Membrane Solutions, and they are a US-based company that has providing purified water solutions since 2006. So they've been around a long time. Again, super easy. All I had to do was plug it in and it was almost ready to go. Following the operational guide and doing the install took about 15 to 20 minutes initially just to get those filters ready to go. Speaking of those filters, there's two filters in this. You have your reverse osmosis filter as well as your composite filter. They are pre-installed in the filtration system when you receive it. The filters are good for over 500 gallons of water, meaning these will have to be changed about once a year depending on your consumption. That's only once a year, no more 30 days or 60 days. Speaking of things lasting a long time, look at how much water the reservoir holds. My wife and I are finding that we only have to add additional water every 3 days or so. I love that I'm able to get fresh water anytime I want without constantly having to fill up that reservoir. The filters can get rid of 99.99% of over 1,000 contaminants in the water. And that UV light can help take care of 99.99% microorganisms and germs. When it's time to dispense water, select the size that best fits what you need it for, and the perfect amount comes out every time. When the machine needs to filter water, it clearly shows on the front, as well as when it needs additional water or it needs a filter cartridge changed. Easy install, large reservoir, long-lasting filters, and pure water. If you're looking for something with all these qualities, then I hope this video helps you decide on if SimPure is a good fit for you.